Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for the latest job updates, career tips, and technical aspects and courses. So, are you from the 25 pass out batch and ready to kickstart your tech career with a massive opportunity? Then imagine this starting salary of 22 LPA base and a 3 LPA joining bonus, and 3 LPA retention bonus, and a whooping 22 LPA in ESOPs. So, totaling 50 lakh CTC, just imagine. So yes, this is not a dream, it's a reality, and it's from the Meesho, one of the India's fastest growing e-commerce platform. So stick with me till the end to get all the details, the application process, and some killer tips to stand out. And before diving into the details, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates because we bring three important hirings, especially on this particular YouTube channel. And also turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once we upload our new video. So now let's dive into the job details. So as you can see, the job is of Miso extended campus hiring basically for 25 pass outs. And this is of position designation is data scientist one. And yes, application eligibility criteria is like 25 pass out B.Tech students, computer science or related background, B.Tech or M.Tech, both are eligible. Integrated M.Tech from computer science, information science are also eligible. So let's jump to the skills required for this particular role. So yes, as you can see, they have mentioned over here the skill sets required. So you must have, solid knowledge of machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, statistics, and linear algebra, and proficient in Python, SQL, TensorFlow, PyTorch, which are very beautiful libraries of deep learning. Along with that, bonus if you have worked with Spark, Hadoop, and other big data tools. So if you have worked with big data tools, integration tools like Hadoop, or other tools like Spark, I'm basically PySpark in Python, or other big data tools. Like there are so many, right? Even this nowadays very popular tools are there. I'm just not able to recall that name. So many are there. So if you have worked with this tool, you will be given preferences over the others. And compensation, as you can see, they have mentioned is total 50 lakh. So fixed salary is 22, joining bonus 3 LPA, retention bonus 3 LPA, and ESOPs means you'll getting a stock of 22 lakh. So which sounds mind blowing, right? Let's move to the responsibility section for this role. So as you can see, they have mentioned as a data scientist what you would be doing at Meesho. So you'll be basically involved into building and deploying machine learning models for personalizations, fraud detections, demand predictions, using computer visions to power select tools, collaborating with product and engineering team both. You also get to work with ad tech, monetizations, and platform optimization techniques. So interview process they have also mentioned, as you can see. Yes, so first is going to be resume screening. So if you have passed the screening round of resume, then you will be called for interviews or three rounds of interview total. First is technical round one, then technical round two, and then hiring manager round. Technical round one, you can expect to have some basic questions. I mean, your core strong points. They will try to know about your resume and about basic understanding of machine learning and all. Second, they might expect you to build a model or something like, and hiring manager will be all about your behavioral and all kind of roles. They might ask technical as well in all the three interviews, so be ready for that. So how you can apply? Just head to the direct link that we have mentioned in description. We have shared a direct link and fill that Google form. And if you are shortlisted, you will be called for interview. Shortlisted candidates will only receive an email for the next step. Everyone might not receive. So if you are shortlisted, try to tailor your resume such that it matches with the skill sets that they have mentioned over here. So try to match all these things if you want to get shortlisted for this particular role. So yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity, and this is your chance to launch your dream data science career with one of the hottest company in the India, which is Miso. Don't wait, opportunities like this don't come every day. Fill out that form, brush up your ML skills, and go get that 50 lakh package. All links are in the description. Check out, as I mentioned already, and also you can join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities because we keep sharing more and more important jobs out there. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes where we keep bringing three important hirings daily. And also you can join our communities that I mentioned and hit the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once we upload our new video. And share this with your friends, colleagues. I mean friends, yeah, because it's for college students, right? So 25 pass out. So share this with friends as well who is more into data, who have the good knowledge in deep learning, machine learning, or data science, statistics, so kind of this knowledge. So if you have this knowledge and if you think you are the right person for this role, go check it out, apply as soon as possible. If you are shortlisted, you will be definitely called for the interview. And yeah, so this was all about this particular hiring for today's. And I wish everyone all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.